In a world that often glorifies bigger as better, the idea of downsizing your home might seem countercultural. But many people are discovering that a smaller home isn't about having less, it's about having more. It's about more peace, more freedom, and even more space to focus on what truly matters. If you're feeling burdened about the size of your home, here are some unexpected benefits of downsizing that can inspire you to consider a simpler way of living. Number one, there's less financial stress. A larger home comes with larger expenses, from higher mortgage payments and property taxes to bigger utility bills and more costs for repairs and upgrades. The costs can quickly add up. So downsizing can significantly reduce these expenses, allowing you to save more, pay off debt, or even work fewer hours. Imagine the freedom of living with fewer financial burdens. Studies have shown that financial stress can take a toll on our health and our relationships. So downsizing your home can be a powerful step towards financial peace and a more relaxed way of living. Number two, there's more time for what matters. With a smaller home, there's less space to clean, maintain, and repair. This means fewer chores and more time to spend on the things that you love, whether that's pursuing a hobby, spending time with loved ones, focusing on your faith, or simply relaxing. Instead of cleaning rooms you rarely use, you can invest your energy in creating memorable memories and relationships. Number three, there's greater emotional freedom. A big house often comes with a hidden cost: emotional clutter. There's pressure to fill every room with furniture, decorations, and possessions. Over time, these things can weigh you down. So downsizing forces you to evaluate what's truly important and let go of the rest. This process can be freeing, helping you feel lighter, clearer, and live a more intentional life. Number four, there's reduced environmental impact. Smaller homes are more energy efficient. They require fewer resources to heat, cool, and maintain. By downsizing, you're making a choice that's better for the environment. You can also invest in sustainable upgrades like energy-efficient appliances without breaking the bank along the way. Now, I'm not saying you have to downsize for the sake of the environment, but if that is a concern of yours, choosing a smaller home is a wonderful step toward benefiting not only you, but future generations. How about number five? Stronger relationships. When families live in large homes, it's easier to become disconnected. Everyone retreats to separate rooms, watches their own televisions, and interaction in a family decreases. But a smaller home encourages togetherness. Shared spaces foster conversation, connection, and quality time together. A smaller home means family members learn how to coexist in the same space, which is a wonderful skill for your kids to learn. Number six, a fresh start. Downsizing offers an opportunity to reset your life. It can be a chance to not just declutter your physical space, but start anew. If that is what you need, a smaller home can help. Number seven, more flexibility and freedom. A smaller home is often easier to sell or rent, giving you greater flexibility if you do decide to move. It can also free up funds for travel, new experiences, or pursuing a passion. Downsizing can make your life more mobile, adventurous, and open to new possibilities. My family moved into a smaller home 12 years ago when our two kids were really young, and we have never regretted it. For all of these reasons, and for others. So if you're feeling weighed down by your current home, give it some serious thought. Less home really is more life.